Start. So pronouns is the chapter that we are going to start today. Pronouns you must have studied are the words which are used in place of noun in a sentence. Now, if I give you one example, it will be more clear to you. If I say Mohan Lal is a bus driver, Mohan Lal drives children to the school every day. Mohan Lal is a jovial man. Mohan Lal likes driving. Now, is this sentence sounding correct? The sentence is correct, but it is not sounding correct because the use of Mohan Lal is there in every sentence. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. Lal drives children to the school. Mohan Lal is a jovial man. Mohan Lal likes driving. So, to avoid this word Mohan Lal, this is a name of a person, noun. To avoid the use of noun in every sentence, we use pronoun. We replace noun with pronoun. How we can say this same sentences? We can say that Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. He drives children to the school. He is a jovial man and he likes driving. So, which word we are using in place of Mr. Mohan Lal? We are using he. So, he is a pronoun. Okay, the words which we use in place of a noun, those words are termed as pronoun, or we can say that the words which replaces nouns are known as pronoun. Mute your mic. Somebody's parent is talking at the back. Mute your mic. Now, the words which are used as pronouns are he, she, it, we, us, them, they, those. These are the words. Now, here few words are used as singular and few words are used as plural. Now, I, me, him, his, her, it. These are the words which are used in the singular now. Okay. It is a book. He is a boy. This pencil box is his. This book belongs to him. So these are the pronouns which are used in singular noun. Okay. Now if I say we are going for the picnic, the teacher was impressed with us, we should go together. Okay, let's teach them a lesson. So these words like them, we, us, they, these pronouns are used in singular, in plural noun. Are you getting it? Okay, so what we have understood today, we have studied that pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns, and there are different types of pronouns like he, she, it. These types of pronouns, him, her, are used as singular nouns, and we, they, them, us, these are known used as plural pronoun nouns. Okay, now you is used for both singular and plural. You must play good as a team. Now here you is denoting a person also and a team also. So you must play well as a team. Are you getting it? So this is how the pronouns work. Now open page number 42. All of you open page number 42. Exercise B. Done? Now here the sentences are not correct. You have to correct the sentence and then rewrite them. Now don't write the full sentence in the book. You will write the full sentence in the copy. In the book you just underline the wrong word and correct it. Got it? In the book you only going to underline the wrong word and write the correct word in front of it. First sentence says Mahima helped they. Is this sentence correct? Mahima helped they. What is wrong in this sentence? The last word they. So underline the last word. Underline the last word and write there them. Underline the last word and write there them. Second sentence. Him invited she for dinner. Him, is him correct? He. Underline him and write there he. Underline him and write he, and then underline she and write her. Underline she and write her. Everybody writing? Okay, next. Do you want to come with I? Now is this sentence correct? Do you want to come with me? Me, yes. Underline I and write there me. Do you want to come with me? Next. Us are going to the mall with they. Us is wrong, so underline there us and write there we. We are going to the mall with them. Yes, we are going to the mall with them. The next, the doctor gave he an injection. Him an injection, yes. So underline he and write there him. The next, whose mic is creating a disturbance? Rajiv and me gave Rajiv and me have baby brothers. Rajiv and very good. Rajiv and I. Very good. Rajiv and I have baby brothers. The next, her is running up and down the stairs. She, yes, she is running up and down the stairs. Very good. The teacher asked we to complete the homework quickly. Underline we, and write there us. Got it? So now in copies, what you have to do, in copies, first you are going to put the heading pronouns on a fresh page. Then you will write the definition which is given on page number 41, yellow box. Put a tick mark there. You're going to write the definition, page number 41. It says pronouns that stand for a person or a thing are called personal pronouns. The words, no, page number 40. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. This you have to write. Yes, yes. Page number 40. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Then you have to give 3-4 examples also. Any common examples you can give, like he, she, him, her, them, they, those, we, us. Okay. Any 3-4 examples you write on your own. So this is the definition. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Then you write any 3-4 examples, and after that you will do one exercise, that is exercise B, in your copies. Okay. Yeah, any doubt? If you have any doubt, please ask. One by one, one by one. Those who don't have any doubts, please mute your mic. Those who have doubt, only they will ask one by one. Yes. 7 is underline her and write the correct word she. The correct word is she. Children are joining now. The time is from 8:40, and I think Tarannum who has joined now. Very late. The class is about to finish now. Somebody has joined till now. Just now somebody has joined. You don't know the timings of the class, those who have come late? The class is about to finish now, children. Please be punctual and be on time. Yes, any other question? Yes, Ritisha, what question? No, you don't have to write that. Only page number 40. Hmm. So you can do exercise from the same page, beta. Draw the line after definition. You write 3, 4 examples like it, him, he, her, them, they, and after examples, you draw the line and start exercise from the same page itself. Don't waste page. Okay. Is there, yes? Yes, in copy you have to, how you are going to do in copy, first understand. First you will write first sentence like Mahima helped they. Okay. Then you will underline the wrong word and then you will write the correct sentence again below it. Got it? Full sentences you have to write in copy. Mahima helped they. First you will write the wrong sentence and then you will write the correct sentence. Okay? Clear to everybody? Okay, now do this work and we are going to meet in the next class. Thank you.